Hello everyone, welcome back to your positive channel. Today I'm so excited because we are going to watch together the most wanted EXO live performance, and that is the Exorium in Japan, including 4 songs: White Noise, Thunder, Playboy and Artificial Love. You all told me that is one of the most iconic EXO performances, and if I really would like to get to know them better, I must say it. Let's check it out, stay with me. Let's see if I can survive this. Start it! Ooh. Already great vocals. Ooh, so sensual. Oh yeah. So this first song is White Noise, correct? Oh my god, and these tight jeans. I don't know who is their stylist, but come on. Chen. I really love his voice. Okay, smiling at us. Dio. I'll start recognizing them slowly. The rain started. We're gonna really dance under the rain. Oh my gosh! These guys always have something new for us. I love the horse. Oh yeah, this part is my favorite. Ah. Sumen whistle? Yes. Okay. Dropping. Straightforward. I wish I understood what they're saying. Somebody loves you. I got that. Oh, Chen again. Ooh, Kai. Dio. This is so touching. These deep vocals. No surprise, EXO are really called vocal kings. They really are. Yay! Ooh. Hi. Ooh. So that's the thunder. We already hear the thunders here. I don't know what to expect. Oh, heart? Heart? Oh my god, I got it. Whoa! Dio! And Chen? Woo! Are they gonna lead the song here? Oh my god! They're always giving me shivers. Okay. What's that, Suko? Ooh, don't do that. Kai. How they can be so seductive? They gotta stop this. Ah. I think Thunder is becoming one of my favorite songs now, but the list is getting longer and longer. Wow. Oh, I love his voice. Is this Shibu or am I confused here? Oh. Wow. Really, the background images are really completing the atmosphere. Make this such an unforgettable, incredible experience. Woo! Yeah! Other sexy moves. I think EXO is like a thunder as well. Thinking about themselves. Ooh. Yeah. We need to continue watching the individual guys, of course, so I really want to recognize every one of them. I'm not there yet. Ooh, that cute smile, Kai. Dio. Ooh. I really cannot wait to get the chance. Hopefully I'll get the chance to attend an EXO concert. And hopefully this will happen in the upcoming years. Or at least I hope that I'll see a solo concert, because I'm sure it's also worth it. Woo. Oh yeah! What a harmonization! In the choreo, in the singing. All of the lights. So everybody's having their phones in their hands. It looks like it. G.O. Hi. Woo! This is Chanel. His voice sounds different to me somehow. Very, very special to me. Oh. We should stop, guys. So much charm and charisma at the same time. So, must be the Playboy song. Ooh, let's see them as Playboys. Ooh. And some smoke in the back, adding some mystery. Hey. No, that's artificial love already, okay? Oh, Winky here. Artificial love. Artificial love. You're saying it all the time. Ew, you cannot play EXO, guys. Hey. Oh. It's getting more intense. Ooh. They're like fighting a little bit. Playful fight. Artificial love. Can you trust this? Can you trust EXO, guys? I'm not sure. It's really hard to stay still while watching EXO live performance. I'm sorry, I'm really kind of dancey. I'm in a dancey mood. Woo! Guys, you must stop it. Being so seductive and sensual. Okay. Woo. Turn it up. Oh. I want to find the lyrics. I hope there is a translation to English, so I really would like to understand EXO music because it sounds great, but I'm sure they're also sending interesting messages, and I'm really intrigued. That's it. You really must feel EXO music. It's really getting into you. Ooh, getting dark. Is that the crazy dance part here? Ooh. Okay. They got themselves blinded now? Ooh, they don't need to look. They can dance like this. They just feel their moves. So this is Sky and who's the other guy? Sorry for not recognizing him. Not yet. Ooh. Ooh, oh. Their faces. Wow! Thank you. I really want to say thank you to all of you who suggested this live performance of EXO. It was really worth watching. It really helped me to understand why EXO have so many families worldwide, because they're simply gorgeous. They're simply making you feel the music, just bringing you this positive energy. They're constantly smiling, flirting with their moves, the way they sing, and the way they wink at us. I really love their presence on stage. I really cannot wait to see them live. I'm sure I will do one day. Thank you for watching. I'm sending happy vibes your way. Have a lovely day. Bye.